Does your family hate when you say the word keto? I get it. But what if I told you I have 5 air fryer dinners that are done in about 10 minutes? Taste like they're from a restaurant, and even my kids devour them. Oh, and recipe number 5 is steak bites. Stick around. This is a game changer. We are saying goodbye to dry, boring chicken and hello to real, delicious family dinners that just happen to be keto. No more making separate meals. Everyone at the table is going to be happy, full, and asking for seconds. I promise. All right, let's dive into our first recipe, buffalo chicken wings. These are a Friday night staple in our house. You just take your chicken wings, toss them with some melted butter, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Then pop them into the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 12 minutes, flipping them halfway through. While they're cooking, I mix up my favorite buffalo saucer, little bit of Frank's Red Hot with a touch of butter. Once the wings are crispy and golden, toss them in that sauce. They come out so juicy and flavorful. Serve them up with some celery sticks and ranch dressing. The kids go absolutely wild for these. Seriously, they're better than takeout. Next up, we have Lemon Herb Salmon. This one feels so fancy, but it's ridiculously easy. You'll need a nice salmon fillet. Pat it dry, then brush it with olive oil. I season mine generously with salt, pepper, dried dill, and a little garlic powder. Then I top it with thin slices of fresh lemon. Place it in the air fryer basket and cook at 400 degrees for about 7 to 9 minutes, depending on the thickness. You don't want to overcook it. The goal is a perfectly flaky, tender salmon. Oh, listen to this. It just falls apart. The lemon gets all caramelized and the herbs create this amazing crust. I usually serve this with a side of steamed asparagus, which I can even throw in the air fryer for the last few minutes. So good. Recipe number 3 is a huge family favorite, Italian meatballs. These are so juicy and packed with flavor, and the secret is using a good quality marinara sauce. I love Rouse. For the meatballs, I mix ground beef with some almond flour, Parmesan cheese, a beaten egg, minced garlic, and Italian seasoning. Roll them into balls, and here's the trick. Air fry them at 375 for about 8 minutes first. This gets them nice and brown on the outside. Then I place them in an oven-safe dish, pour over that delicious Rouse sauce, top with some mozzarella cheese, and pop it back in the air fryer for another 3 to 4 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and melted. These are pure comfort food. My kids love them with zoodles or just on their own. Okay, get ready for the juiciest pork chops of your life. Recipe number 4 is my secret weapon. The hack here is ranch seasoning. It sounds a little different, but trust me on this. I take thick-cut, bone-in pork chops. The bone adds so much flavor and moisture. Pat them completely dry, rub them with a little bit of olive oil, and then sprinkle both sides generously with a packet of dry ranch seasoning mix. That's it. Air fry them at 380 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. flipping halfway. The seasoning creates this incredible, savory crust while the inside stays unbelievably tender and juicy. No more dry pork chops, ever. These are a weeknight miracle. And now for the grand finale, recipe number 5. Garlic butter steak bites. This is date night at home approved, but easy enough for any weeknight. I use a sirloin steak and cut it into 1-inch cubes. Pat them super dry, that's key for a good sear. Toss them with some salt, pepper, and a little avocado oil. Get your air fryer preheated to 400 degrees and cook the steak bites for about 4 to 6 minutes, shaking the basket halfway. You want them browned on the outside, but still pink in the middle. While they're resting for a minute, melt some butter with minced garlic and fresh parsley. Pour that glorious garlic butter all over the steak bites and toss to coat. These are absolutely divine. My husband asks for these at least once a week. So there you have it. 5 incredibly easy, family-approved keto dinners made right in the air fryer. I would love to know which one was your family's favorite. Let me know in the comments by dropping a number from 1 to 5. Was it the buffalo wings, the lemon herb salmon, the Italian meatballs, the juicy pork chops, or those amazing steak bites? And if you loved these ideas, make sure you hit that subscribe button because tomorrow I'm sharing my favorite keto dessert recipes. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for cooking with me. See you next time.